Welcome back to 55 Facts. Today is the review of Ford Mustang 2025. Let's start. The 2025 Ford Mustang continues its legacy with a blend of classic design and modern enhancements. Here's an overview of its key features. Engine options and performance. EcoBoost. Powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 315 horsepower. GT. Equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing 480 horsepower. 𝗙𝗪𝘅. A performance-focused variant featuring a 5.0-liter V8 engine tuned to 500 horsepower. GTD. A limited production model inspired by the GT3 race car, boasting a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine targeting over 800 horsepower. Transmission options. Manual transmission. A 6-speed manual gearbox is available for enthusiasts who prefer a hands-on driving experience. Automatic transmission. A 10-speed automatic transmission offers smooth and efficient gear shifts. Design and exterior. Matte clear film option. Available on both fastback and convertible models, this factory-installed option protects the paint and provides a satin-like finish. Carbon fiber components. The GTD model features standard carbon fiber body panels and drive shaft, reducing weight and enhancing performance. Interior and technology. Digital cockpit. The interior boasts a modern design with 2 large screens, a digital instrument cluster and a central infotainment display. Sync 4A system. Features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Safety and driver assistance. Ford Co-Pilot 360 trademark. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, reverse automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. Special editions. 60th Anniversary Package. A limited edition package exclusive to the 2025 Mustang, celebrating its rich heritage. RTR Package. A new offering for the EcoBoost lineup, featuring select components from the 𝗙𝗪𝘅 model and exclusive features developed in collaboration with RTR. Pricing. Base models. The 2025 Mustang's pricing starts around $33,000 for the EcoBoost variant and goes up to $62,000 for higher trims. GTD model. This high-performance model is priced at $325,000.